Hey everyone, it's Kate from KCandtheOverlanders. I am in our James Baroud rooftop tent. In this video, I'm going to show you how we take it down at camp. It's super easy, takes a couple minutes. As for a woman, I will say this, you do need some strength, and I usually have to have Dan help me secure the latches or have a kid sit on the top. But it is super easy, and I'm also going to show you some little tricks and things along the way that we've learned to make it easy. Here we go. All right, so at nighttime, obviously, depending on temperature, we sleep with these screens open or some of them open. In the background there is our little privacy tent. I think we have a video on the clean waste toilets if anyone's interested in that. But anyways, before you break down your rooftop tent, clear out all of your sleeping bags and pillows, things like that. We leave 2 of our blankets in here, one of which is a Baja Packer blanket, which is mine. But the important thing is to zip up all of the screens. And what we do is leave just about an inch of opening on some of them so that the air can kind of move through here when you push it down and break it down. So just zip up all of your screens. And then I tend to leave just a little bit open here. You can kind of see it. Like I said, just to kind of let the air push through it. And here's this screen. Here's this one a little bit. On these doors, these exit doors of the James Baroud rooftop tent, these zippers on the bottom, we leave open a little bit. As you can see, this one broke, and if you keep it zipped all the way to the bottom, they can crack when you're folding the tent. So again, on the exit doors of the tent, leave a little space there so that these zippers don't crack like that one did. And over here, we'll leave this one open up a little bit. All right, so I have all of the windows and doors zipped up with the exception of leaving a little space open on the exit doors and up on the actual windows, just leaving a little space there too. Next, we're gonna attach the little bungee cords to these sides. All right, another little tip that we did in the James Baroud rooftop tents, you have this mattress, which is pretty decent. We also have a mattress pad cover on it to keep it clean. But what we've also done is put a little kitty mat underneath the mattress just to give it a little bit more cushion and softness and support. So yeah, it seems kind of odd and funny to have the kid mattress up here, like those little foamy plain mattresses, but it helps for support other than just having this little one. It's comfortable, but like I said, I don't know, we're a little bit older, need a little bit more support while we sleep. All right, so everything is zipped up. I have these bungee cords fastened to each side. And then with the little gas struts over here, you can see them. I'm just gonna give them a little pull. And the same is gonna go on the other side. Here are the gas struts. We're just gonna give them a quick little pull. And then from there, we will hop down, go in outside and push the tent.
So we're almost ready to leave camp. I'm going to show you how to drop the James Baroud tent. You pull it down by the front first.
So collapse it from the front first. And you're securing the little...
I'm going to snap these 2 clips that are up here, if you can hear me.
Yeah. So we're...
Snap those.
Yeah.
So now it looks more like a clamshell. Then I'm going to go into the back and pull it down. Now we have a little extra padding in this, so I have to push a little harder to get it to close up, but it's a little more comfortable, a little more sleeping on it.
So it does take a little climbing and muscle to bring this thing
Yeah, it
down.
does take a little climb. And I end up pulling all this back against the arms that are folding up inside. We just pull it down.
So there's where we've left the little zippers a little bit open. The air can kind of push through there and not get stuck inside.
You want to show it from the back.
Yeah. So Dan's just kind of tucking everything in, pushing the air out, and securing that clip. And like I said, it does take some muscle or...
So that's latched.
Yeah.
Gives me enough space so that I can go on the other side, latch it, still tuck in around the edges, and then we'll just come and ratchet these two together, and it's watertight.
And I will say that we've never had any water leakage in the James Baroud rooftop tent.
I'm sorry, what's that?
We've never had any water leakage or storms or anything.
No, we haven't.
Get it wet.
You consider we've driven through heavy rainstorms, crosswinds, everything, and we've never had it wet inside. It's been a really nice tent.
Mm-hmm. And I am filming this in real time, so what you're seeing is the full breakdown of the tent.
Right. So it peeks out a little bit.
Yeah.
But I'm not overly worried. I've got it latched here. Now essentially, I just latch that side, and I'll go around and latch the other side, and we're done, and we're ready to get onto the road.
All right, so that took about 3 minutes prep work that I did on the inside, maybe like another 3 minutes. So I'd say 6 minutes it takes to break down the James Baroud rooftop tent. You can see we have the Grand Raid version. It sleeps Dan and I just fine. Dan is 6'2", a big guy with more than enough leg room and space. It's super easy, and if you want to see how to set up the James Baroud rooftop tent, check out our video on how to set up a rooftop tent. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and visit Wyoming. It's pretty awesome here.